In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Wizz Air flight. We'll walk through the official path on the Wizz Air website so you know exactly where to click and what to expect, along with a few practical tips to make the process smoother. Start on the Wizz Air homepage. From there, scroll down the page until you find the Help Center link. This is the hub for policies and self-service guidance, and it's the fastest way to get to the official instructions that apply to your booking. Once you're in the Help Center, select Booking Modification. This section gathers everything related to altering an existing reservation, so you won't have to sift through unrelated topics. Next, click Flight Change. This narrows things down specifically to changing a flight that's already booked, as opposed to name corrections, cancellations, or adding services. From here, choose Date, Time, and Destination changes. This page explains how to move your trip to a different flight, or when permitted, to a different destination. You'll find policy details here, like what changes are allowed, how availability works, and when fees or fare differences may apply. It's a good place to set expectations before you proceed, because costs and options depend on factors like your route, fare type, and how close you are to departure. Finally, follow the steps under how to make changes on that page. The flow typically involves locating your booking by signing in or retrieving it with your confirmation details, selecting the passengers you want to change, choosing a new date, time, or destination if that option is available, and then reviewing a summary that shows any fare differences and change fees. Take a moment to read that breakdown carefully before you confirm. When you're ready, continue to payment if required. After you finalize everything, you should receive an updated confirmation with your new itinerary. Keep that email for your records. A few tips to help you along the way. Have your booking reference and the lead passenger's details ready before you start. If your travel plans are flexible, compare a couple of dates to find better availability or pricing. Check whether your baggage, seat selections, or extras carry over to the new flight, and reselect them if needed. Make sure you're looking at local times at both departure and arrival. And if the page mentions time limits or windows for making changes, stick to those to avoid extra charges. That's it. By using the Help Center and following the on-screen instructions, you can change your Wizz Air flight confidently and get back to planning your trip.